Hey.
Hey.
I got my nails done. Do you want to see them?
Yeah, I want to see them. Oh my god, you got the red cat eye with jelly on top?
How
These
did
look
you-
so cute.
How did you know that?
What do you mean? Every girl's getting them on TikTok. Have you seen them in the sunlight?
Well, yes, I have seen them in the sunlight. That's why I got them. But how do you know what they look like in the sunlight?
I just told you all the girls on TikTok are getting them.
Why are you watching girls on TikTok and how do you know all about their nail color?
Because I can't control who I watch on TikTok.
You can
It comes
control
out
what you
before
consume. You can. A girl coming for your page talking about nails, you're going to watch it and
Really?
learn?
The red cat eye is in style. With the jelly? Are you kidding me, honey? How would I not know? Why are you even mad? You should be happy I know nails.
I'm not happy you know nails because I know you're watching other girls. That's where you're getting the information from. You're not getting the information from me, your girlfriend. You're getting it from other people.
Well, I'm glad you got them because they're in style and they look gorgeous on you. Let's look at them again. Just, oh